K-12 school system in India is one of the largest in the world, with over 1.4 million schools and over 250 million students enrolled. But our education system doesn't allow to see things differently. Old education system was meant to follow orders from a manager to work in a factory. Like today in school, kids are following commands, go to page 4, para 3, line 2. Successful people have done something but was done on their own creative way. Like Steve Jobs created an iPhone to replace existing mobile phone, and John Kuhn have created WhatsApp to replace existing messaging app. We started Robokart as a mission to make child think, innovate and create something meaningful to solve a problem. We have created world's first online learning platform for robotics, AI, IoT, 3D printing, drones and AR/VR, and making it more powerful by adding content, media and technology mentored by industry leaders and entrepreneurs, thus making students addictive to learn, create and innovate.
Students will be learning projects which we use in day-to-day lives. For example, we have sensors in mobiles, then we have rain sensor in cars, then we have a solar panel in renewable energy, etc. Basically, they will be working real time on these sensors by making some models which will be useful to the society. For example, you can say IoT-based water system or robots which can do some specific tasks which will be helping millions of people.
Our past was knowledge driven, manufacturing driven, but future will be creativity driven. Our programs at each level give immense opportunity for creativity through robotics, AI, IoT, 3D printing and drones. We truly believe that India of today is world of tomorrow. Real fun is not only in making Robokart with 10,000 plus centers all over the world, but providing an opportunity to millions on how they think, learn and create.